Hey everybody, Joe Robinson here at Spencer's Ventura Mattress retail store. We also have a store in Santa Barbara. I want to show you our Loving Sleep line. I'm here with Spencer.
The Loving Sleep collection, we call it. It comes in 3 different models. And we do one in a firm. We do one in a luxury firm, which is just to say a medium, let's call it.
Okay.
And then we do one in a plush, which is to say soft.
Okay. And what goes inside this bed? What's so great about it?
So it seems to be our best-selling bed in the showrooms. And there's something about the feel that's magic about it. And what it is, it's the coil we use. We use what's called a balsa coil. And it's got this individually wrapped, comfortable, like shoulder, hip absorbing feel to it, but yet supportive. And on top, we'll run 1.5 inches of super soft foam. Just 1.5 inches, not too much. And then between the foam and the spring, we run what's called latex, tele latex, which gives you a real good, controlled, unique feel. So the combination of those 3 are what's going to give you the feel that's selling so well for us.
So come on in and try these out. We've got all 3 here. We only have one of them in the Santa Barbara location.
Yeah.
So coming to Ventura is definitely worth it if you want to try all 3.
Right.
Thanks, Spencer.
You're welcome.